Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Sweetest Thing on guitar. We'll start by mastering the core chords that form the foundation of this beautiful song. Pay close attention to your finger placement and aim for clear, ringing notes. Practicing smooth transitions between these chords is key to achieving that signature flow. Let's get started and make some music. Now, let's dive into the strumming pattern. A common and effective pattern for Sweetest Thing is down, down, up, up, down, up. Try to keep your wrist relaxed and your strumming hand consistent. Focus on maintaining a steady rhythm, as this will give the song its characteristic groove. Emphasize those downstrokes slightly to give the chords more weight and presence. Practice slowly at first, then gradually increase your speed. The heart of Sweetest Thing lies in its simple yet effective chord progression. For the verses, you'll primarily use G, C, D, and M. This four-chord sequence repeats throughout much of the song, making it quite accessible. Pay close attention to the timing of your chord changes, ensuring they align with the song's melody. Practice transitioning between these specific chords until it feels natural and effortless. Consistency is key here. To truly master Sweetest Thing, consistent practice is essential. Try using a metronome to keep your timing precise and steady. Listen to the original recording frequently to internalize the song's feel and nuances. Dedicate 15 to 20 minutes each day to practice, focusing on both chords and strumming. Remember, patience and persistence will lead to great results. Enjoy playing this wonderful song.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.